You can use essential oils for cough. I'm Dr. Carol Keim, a pediatrician and author of the Baby Manual and Holistic Mama's Handbook, and I have information in my books about how to dilute essential oils and which ones are best for your child. So for cough especially, you can use things like Vicks Vapor Rub or things that smell like it. So eucalyptus, peppermint, menthol. You can put them in a diffuser in your baby's room, or if you're going to apply them to your child directly, you want to dilute them in a carrier oil and then rub them onto your child's chest and the bottoms of their feet, especially at nighttime. This can really help with cough symptoms. So check out my book or follow me for more information on how to treat your child when they're feeling sick in lots of different ways, including Western medicine and holistic approaches.